for a professional on the maintenance side, the pilot side, dispatch. The opportunities at this company are limitless.
Your value is not just an employee, your value is as a person.
I'm excited to come to work every morning and just be around such a great community who all makes me feel like I have a purpose in what I do here.
The first time I ever went to Asia was with Johnson & Johnson. Once we landed, it really hit me that I've taken myself somewhere in the world that I've never thought I would ever be.
Everything here is brand new, state-of-the-art. You'll get all the training for all of the equipment that's here, and you'll get continued training as we replace the fleet.
We are flying the best airplanes available for one of the oldest and best flight departments in the world. For sure, this is the best job that I ever had.
A candidate is somebody who is passionate about not just flying airplanes, but about being part of something much bigger than themselves.